Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to get which Disney character are you in Instagram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Instagram application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of Instagram, you need to tap on your story on top left corner, or you can simply slide to the right. Here you can see many effects there. You slide to the very end. There you can see search effect. You tap on it. Here you need to tap on the search icon on top right of the screen. Here you type in for a Disney effect. Search. Now here you can go in for choosing any of the effect you want to. Here you need to tap on try it on bottom of left corner. Now with this effect you can go in for recording your video or a photo. You can choose any of the effect. As this is just a tutorial video, you can keep the camera directly to your face and go in for recording a video or a photo. This is how you can get which Disney character are you on Instagram. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to get which Disney character are you on Instagram. Thank you.